Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Face ID not working on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. There are 3 quick ways to fix Face ID issues on iPhone. First, a simple restart can solve temporary glitches. Hold the power button and volume button together, then slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. Second, check Face ID settings. Go to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode. Make sure Face ID is enabled for iPhone Unlock and attention awareness features are turned on. Third, if it still does not work, reset Face ID. In Settings, go to Face ID and Passcode. Tap Reset Face ID, then set it up again carefully in good lighting, keeping your face centered. These steps usually resolve most Face ID problems quickly. Try after each step if needed. So that's basically how you can fix Face ID not working on iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks!